Say goodbye to cluttered and disorganized closets. In this video, we're going to show you how to transform your mess into a stylish and functional space in just 14 easy steps. So grab a notepad and get ready to take notes. 1. Declutter. Start by going through your closet and removing items that you no longer wear or need. This can include old clothing, shoes, and accessories that are outdated or no longer fit. By doing this, you will free up space and be able to see what you actually need to organize. Set aside items that can be donated or sold, and consider a bag for items that need to be disposed of. This first step is crucial in establishing a clean slate for organizing your closet. 2. Sort clothes. Sort your clothing into categories such as shirts, pants, dresses, etc., and arrange them by color. This makes it easier to find specific items and gives your closet a clean, polished look. If you have limited space, consider using slim line hangers to maximize the space. Sorting clothes can be a time-consuming process, but it's worth it to have a well-organized closet. 3. Hang or fold clothes. Determine whether you want to hang or fold your clothes based on their tendency to wrinkle. Dress shirts and other delicate items should be hung, while bulkier items like sweatpants and hoodies can be folded to save space. When folding clothes, consider using drawer organizers or baskets to keep items neat and tidy. This step will help you utilize space effectively and create a functional closet. 4. Use storage containers. Utilize storage containers to organize items such as socks, underwear, scarves, and hats. Label the containers so you can easily find what you need. This not only saves space, but also keeps items neat and tidy. Consider using clear containers so you can see what's inside without having to open them. This is a great way to keep small items organized and easily accessible. Talking about labeling the containers, we have the following point. 5. Label everything. Labeling your closet and storage containers will help you quickly find what you need and keep things organized. Consider using clear labels or label makers to ensure the labels are easy to read. This step may seem small, but it can make a big difference in keeping your closet organized and clutter-free. 6. Store off-season clothes. To maximize space, store off-season clothes in vacuum-sealed bags or under-bed storage containers. This not only frees up space, but also keeps clothes protected from dust and pests. Consider using a garment rack to store seasonal items, or store them in a closet in another room. This step is especially important for those living in areas with drastic temperature changes. 7. Utilize vertical space. Make use of the vertical space in your closet by adding shelves, hanging organizers, or hooks. This is a great way to keep items such as shoes, bags, and jewelry off the floor and easily accessible. Consider installing shelves above your clothing rod, or use hanging organizers to store items such as scarves, belts, and hats. Utilizing vertical space can help you maximize your closet space and make it easier to access items. This leads us to the next point. 8. Install shelves and drawers. Shelves and drawers are great for storing items such as shoes, bags, and other accessories. Consider installing adjustable shelving or using stackable drawers to maximize space. Label the shelves or drawers so you can easily find what you need. Installing shelves and drawers is a great way to keep your closet organized and free of clutter. 9. Hang jewelry. Keep jewelry organized and easily accessible by hanging it on hooks, using jewelry trays, or displaying it on a hanging organizer. This not only saves space, but also keeps jewelry tangle-free and prevents it from getting lost in a clutter of other items. Consider using hooks or small baskets to store necklaces, and trays to organize earrings, rings, and bracelets. Hanging jewelry will keep it organized and easily accessible. 10. Store shoes. Keep shoes organized by using shoe racks, over-the-door organizers, or stacking them on shelves. Consider using a shoe rack with multiple levels to maximize space, or using a hanging organizer to store shoes that take up less room. Label the shelves or organizers so you can easily find what you need. Storing shoes in an organized manner will save space and keep your closet clutter-free. 11. Keep a laundry basket. Place a laundry basket in your closet to collect items that need to be washed. This not only keeps your closet clean and organized, but also helps you keep track of what needs to be cleaned. Consider using a stylish laundry basket that complements your decor. Keeping a laundry basket in your closet is a great way to stay organized and on top of your laundry. 12. Use hooks for bags. Hooks are a great way to keep jackets and bags organized and easily accessible. Consider installing hooks on the back of your closet door or on the wall to store your bags. This also means to use the door space. It refers to utilizing the space on the back of your closet door for additional storage. This can be achieved through the use of hooks, as mentioned earlier, hanging organizers, or over-the-door baskets. By using door space, you can store items that you don't need on a daily basis, freeing up valuable floor and shelf space in your closet. Hanging organizers are a great option for door storage as they come in a variety of sizes and styles and can be used to store items such as belts, scarves, hats, and bags. Over-the-door baskets can be used to store items such as shoes, hats, or small toys. In conclusion, using door space is a smart and efficient way to maximize the storage potential of your closet. By utilizing this space, you can keep your closet looking neat, tidy, and clutter-free. Label the hooks, hanging organizers, and over-the-door baskets so you can easily find what you need. 13. Keep it clean. Make a habit of regularly cleaning your closet to keep it organized and clutter-free. This includes removing items that are no longer needed or worn, dusting shelves and drawers, and wiping down surfaces. Regular cleaning will not only keep your closet looking neat and tidy, but it will also make it easier to find what you need. Consider setting aside a specific day each month to clean and organize your closet. 14. Re-evaluate regularly. Finally, make sure to regularly re-evaluate your closet organization system to ensure it's still working for you. This may involve making small tweaks or changes to your system as your needs change over time. Regularly re-evaluating your closet will help you keep it organized and functioning efficiently. And that's it, folks. We hope these 14 steps have inspired you to tackle your closet and turn it into a well-organized haven. Note that by following these tips, you can create a neat, tidy, and efficient closet that will save you time and stress. So why wait? Get started today and transform your closet into an organized oasis. If you like this video and want more organization tips and tricks, it's easy. Just like this video, share, and subscribe, as it will help us get promoted more by the YouTube algorithm.